In today's news for you, the ABCs of first aid for your pets. Dr. Wendy King is from Spears Creek Veterinary Clinic, and with his backside to you is one of my dogs. Nice shot there, Zach. We want to talk about first aid for our pets. If they choke or something happens, sometimes, I mean, you would know a Heimlich for a human, but what do you do for your pets?
Well, and that's what I wanted to talk about is we call it the ABCs because everybody can remember their ABCs.
Sure.
So you start with A is airway, and that's why you do the Heimlich if they are choking. For example, it might be a puppy that's eating a kibble that's too big for it. So you can do a Heimlich, but you do it, if the dog is standing, you would do it just like doing a human, where you do that sharp
pull in.
But you might have to do it with them laying down on their side, and you put your pressure on their spine and actually push it like that. So you make sure they have airway, air moving. If you can't do it with the Heimlich, you actually can open their mouths. Be very, very careful, but most of the time they're passed out. And you can actually reach way, way down in there and pull that piece of kibble out. You've got to get the airway open, otherwise nothing else counts.
Okay.
So air. A is airway.
Okay.
Okay. B is breathing. Then you got to start breathing for them. So it's not mouth to mouth in dogs.
Come here, Zach.
It's actually you keep their mouth closed, and then you blow in their nose. I can't do it because he's actually breathing.
So let me again show you. Would shut the mouth and blow into the nostrils there. Okay.
So that's B is breathing. So A is airway. Get that airway open. B is breathing. C is circulation or the chest compressions. Now we can't do them on the chest like the dogs, like in humans.
Right.
You do it actually on their side. So their heart is right exactly where their elbow is.
On
where
the
their elbow,
left-hand side, just like a human?
Either side. Either side.
Okay.
And you're actually doing the chest compressions, and you want to compress about 1/3 or 1/2 of their chest width. So it's actually pushing pretty hard. And you do probably 100 a minute, which is about as fast as you can go.
Okay, so just keep going. Yeah, well, like you said, as fast as you can go.
As fast as you can go. And the breathing is 1 every 5 seconds. So it would help to have 2 people, 1 person breathing every 5 seconds and 1 person doing the chest compression.
That is great information. Excuse me, hello. Don't you want to be on TV with Mommy? Come on. Well, I want to give you an opportunity to ask Dr. King any of your questions. So go right now to Twitter. Send me a tweet at Dawndy, WISTV. Our pet vet will answer your questions at the end of the show. Dr. King, as always, wonderful information. Thank you so much. We'll be back right after this. Stay with us.